This is the question, and the question it says, give it is given that t is equal to kv squared, where k is a constant of variation, and you have been given a table which is v over t. The values for v is 1, b, 5. The values for t, 4, 36, a. And they are saying use the information given in the table to find the value of what? K. So you have to know what to do, because the first one they said value of what? K. And you have been given the formula, which is A. So you say A, T is equal to KV squared. And you use the information given. And you know that V always start with the one which has got everything. If you're calculating the value of K, you start with the first numbers. So V is what? 1. And T is what? 4. Now K we don't know. So you know that T is what? 4. So you put 4 equals to K. And you know that V is what? 1. But now you can't say 1K. You write it like this. 1K. Like this. Have you seen? And then you divide both sides by 1. Also there, 1. So that you eliminate this. You remain with what? K. So how many times can 1 go into 4? It's 4. So K is equal to 4. So have you seen? We are now on question B. And question B, it says, find the value of A. Find the value of what? A, which is this one. And this is the data which you have. V, you know V is what? 5. And K, the answer we got on A, which is K, is equal to what? 4. And T, have you seen T where it is? So, you have seen T, which is question mark. Or if you want, you can just put what? A. Instead of using A, so since we are looking for the value of A, so since we want to find the value of A, so instead of putting the letter T, we'll just indicate what? The same way it is, which is T. T we don't know. And it's just the what? A question mark. So you copy the same formula given in the question. So you say T is equal to KV squared. Now, since in the question they said find the value of what? A. So instead of writing A, we'll replace it by letter A equals K. What is K? K, we know that it's what? 4 times. Have you seen? What is V? V is what? What is V? What is V? V is what? 5. So you say 5 what? Squared. So A is equal to 4 times 5 squared, it's what? 5 squared, it's what? It's 25. So you know that A is equal to 4 times 25, it's 100. This is how you find the value of A. We are now answering question C. Find the values of what? B. So we will get the data. And we know that since they said value of what? B. Have you seen B? V. Have you seen B? So here we'll say, we'll copy the same formula, which is T is equal to KV squared. Now, according to the information we know that K is 4. And also T is what? T is what? 36. What else? What are we looking for? We are looking for the value of b, which is a question mark. That's what they want. So we will say t is what? You copy the formula. T k v squared. T is what? 36. Equals k, we know is what? 4. And then v. Instead of saying v squared, what are we going to do? We'll replace it by b. It will be b what? Squared. Why is it b squared? Because it's a letter which we are looking for. Then you divide both by 4, also there by 4. Have you seen? I hope you are able to follow. I hope you are able to follow. You are able to follow just like this. So, what do you do next? You eliminate this and this. So here it will be b squared equals, how many times can 4 go into 36? It's 9. Now, have you seen this b? It's b squared. So you have to introduce what? The square root. You introduce what? You even put a positive and a negative. So it will be b equals to positive or negative. Square root of 9, it's 3. So on your answer sheet, if it's the final paper, they would expect you to write like this, the other one with a negative.